This video will show you how to replace the control unit in your Champion 6500 watt inverter. Always let the engine fully cool, remove the side panel and disconnect the spark plug cap before working on your unit. Step 1. Lift the handle and use a Phillips head or 8mm socket to remove the 7 bolts around the front panel. Then pull back the front panel. Disconnect all the wire connectors that lead to or from the control unit and clip any zip ties if needed. Step 2. Remove the 2 bolts on the right side of the control unit using a 10mm socket. Then on the left side of the unit, first remove the CO alarm with a Phillips head so you can access the bolts. Then remove the 2 bolts using a 10mm socket. Step 3. Pull out and rotate the control unit and locate the ground wire. Then use an 8mm socket to remove the ground wire bolt and bracket, and fully remove the old control unit. Step 4. Take your new control unit and first connect the ground wire and bracket with the 8mm bolt. Then set the control unit in place and secure the 4 bolts around the sides, making sure to include the wire clips on both sides. Then replace the CO alarm and ground wire after tightening the bolts. Now reassemble your unit by reconnecting all the wire connectors that were disconnected in step 1. Then lift the front panel into place and replace and tighten the 7 bolts around the sides. Lastly, reconnect the spark plug cap and replace the side access panel. Your control unit replacement is complete. Always follow the safety guidelines in your operator's manual, and for more help guides, visit the Champion Help Center at help.championpowerequipment.com.